Hey everyone, today we're doing the Edgar Rock from Lost Creek Road Trail. It is a hike in central Washington, about 3.5 miles out and back, about 1,400 foot elevation gain, so it's short, rather steep, but it should be great. And as you can see as we zoom out here, it's about 30 miles outside of Yakima. Heading up another trail. Well, we're not even a mile into this hike and it's steep. Guys, I think I just stumbled upon an absolute gem of a hike. Well, we made it to the top, and it is beautiful up here. Here, it's so peaceful. There's no wind. It's great. It's sunny. The forecast even said it was supposed to rain today, so we're just chilling. We are about to crack open the brewski for this hike, which is the one and only Great Notion Brewery's double stack maple stout. You guys, this is awesome. This brewery is out of Portland, and wow, I recommend this beer. It's hard to get unless you drive to Portland. Some places carry them, but I recommend it. I'm going to try all of their other beers, and I can't wait to visit the brewery. Anyways, cheers guys. Hikes and Brews PNW. Made it back down. That trail was awesome. Couldn't ask for more. Everything about it was great. It was short, it was steep, it was a good workout. Worked up a mean sweat. We brought a double stack maple stout from Great Notion Brewery. Sent the drone up. No snow. It wasn't even that muddy. Thanks for joining us. Please tune in next time. We love you, and you stay safe out there, you hikers and brewers. Make sure you know where you're going. Bring your GPS. Have a backup plan. Until we meet again.